Let's go to West Virginia.
All right.
So at this point I turned off on Brush Creek Falls Road, and it didn't look too bad. It was snowy. I had it in four-wheel drive, and I thought things were going to be okay until I started to slide. But I kept on going. I thought about stopping and turn around, but there really was nowhere to go. I kept on going, but you'll see here in just a moment, I put the camera down, because it got pretty stressful, but I didn't turn it off. I just set it down, and I didn't know that I had not turned it off. But that turned out okay. You can see I'm sliding right here a little bit. But I think, man, I need to get to the bottom of this. You can see the left side of this road is just a straight down. That's what I'm like. And there you can see my 4Runner just weaving back and forth right there. It was not good. I was in a bad situation. And I stopped. I tried to go, and you can see my rear end is going back towards the mountain. Which, look at it, it's really sliding. It's slick, very slick, and I was in a really bad spot. I couldn't go forward, and I just stopped. I didn't know what to do. I thought, well, maybe I can back out of here, but that wasn't really smart moves. You can see, watch it just start to slide as soon as I start going in reverse. That's not smart. So I was in a bind. And as soon as I start trying to go forward, you can see my rear end start sliding right back to the mountain. and I'm having trouble getting this thing stopped, actually. It was so intense, I didn't even realize I had my sunroof open, and you can see the snowflakes falling in. So at this point, whatever I was doing, it just wasn't going very well. So I decided to get out and just look at the situation, see what's going on. So you can see I'm frustrated. You can not sure what I need to do, and but I finally realized the sunroof is open, and I figured, you know what, I need to talk to my buddy Gail Moore.
Hello.
I'm in a bad place right now. Oh shit! I'm going over to the. I'm over in Princeton.
Oh Lord, what are you doing?
I was going to go take pictures of this waterfall. I went on this road called Brush Creek Falls.
Yeah.
And I started heading down this road, and now it's slick. I don't know. I can't get out.
Oh Lord.
It's messed up. I don't know what to do.
Can you get turned around?
Nope. I'm almost up against the mountain right now, and the other side's a big drop off.
Oh Lord, Walter.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I don't know. Find somebody that does off-road recoveries. I don't know.
I know. Well, I'm afraid, like, I'm in a bad spot right now. If I go around this hill, I'm either going to hit the mountain or go off the cliff.
Well, you don't want to go off the cliff.
No, don't want to hit the mountain either.
No, you really don't.
Oh, shit. I can't back up. I tried to back up where it started going downhill, and as soon as it started going down here, I started slipping, so I was like, shit. I don't know what to do.
Where you at now? Somewhere off 52?
Off the exit 14 off Turnpike near Athens.
Oh, okay. Well, you're close to my buddy Ernie. I'll see if I can get hold of him and see if he can come to you. He don't live too far from you. He lives in Athens. Or right outside of Athens.
Yeah. Well, I'm on this stupid Brush Creek Road. Oh, shit.
Okay.
I didn't think it was that slick, but boy, temperature dropped. So.
My sister said it's pouring snow where she's at. They got over 7 inches on the ground. And everything under the new snow is
that's the problem. It's ice underneath me, so
well, he'd probably find somebody to come to you if I could get a hold of him.
Jeez. I just
Brush Creek Road off of what? 20?
It's 3 and 14, but it's Brush Creek Falls Preserve. If I could get down to the bottom, then without wrecking, then I would be okay, I think. I just don't know if I should try it. I'm in a really, I think if I even put the gas on right now, I would slide into the mountain.
If you want to try to get down, here's what I would do. Set your emergency brake a couple of clicks, and that way all 4 wheels will hold instead of just the front tires.
Okay.
You would set your emergency brake just a couple of clicks. Now, don't push it way down because you don't want to lock them back brakes up.
Right.
Just push your emergency brake down a couple of clicks, and then I would put it in neutral. I wouldn't put it in drive.
Yeah.
Just put it in neutral and then just barely hold the brake and see if it'll ease down the mountain.
Yeah.
How far are you down from the top? Because if somebody comes to you, it might be better to stay where you are and let them winch you back up over there.
Well, it'd be they'd have to pull me. There's no turnoffs. I would be better off trying to get to the bottom. I just don't really feel good about it. But
well, don't put yourself in danger.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm in neutral, but it ain't going nowhere because I'm in up against it.
Well, you have to put it in drive in to get it up out wherever you hung up there.
Yeah. Oh. As soon as I hit my brakes, though, boy, I'm going up against the mountain.
Yeah. I hope you got plenty of clothes, because if you have to walk out there, you'll freeze to death.
It's not that far from where I walked in. I mean, I can get out of there. I'll be fine. I'm dressed okay. Jeez.
Well, let me see if my buddy Ernie knows where you're at. Let me see if I can get a hold of him.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. See you later.
All right, Steve.
Well, at this point, I was praying, and I know Gail was praying, and I started inching my way down to the bottom of this hill, and you can see how steep this place is if you look at those rocks on my right side. So I made it down to where the park was. I called Gail, let him know I made it down, and I'm gonna try to drive back up there and get out of this place. So guys, I planned to come over here, and I was gonna film walking to this place called Brush Creek Falls, but you can see on this hill right here, I almost hit the wall, hit the side of the road, and then I didn't want to get on the other side because I would go down that cliff, and It's beautiful, it's peaceful, but right now I just got to get out here because the temperature's dropping and the snow is falling and it's not getting any better. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna try to get out here. So I thought that the best thing I could do was to just try to make it back up this road. I didn't film that curve and that first part of the hill, but I did make it. Guys, I was very nervous about that, but I did make it. Oh my gosh. But going down, I mean, I came over here to do a video, but the temperature has dropped 13 degrees since I left the house. And evidently it's going to keep on dropping here in West Virginia. So I am just happy I'm out of there. I will come back because it's a beautiful little spot, but my goodness. So that's a little adventure for today. So after that adventure, I'm gonna go eat at this place, Dolly's Diner in Princeton, and we'll check it out. I'm hungry because I was stressed. All right, so gonna eat here at Dolly's, and I'm gonna have breakfast, steak and eggs. You know, this diet that I'm on with no bread, and makes it hard, but I'm having hamburger steak and egg, not steak and eggs, just hamburger steak and egg. So anyway, it'll be good. Dolly's, the hamburger was like one of them frozen Bubba burgers or something like that. I mean, it was okay. I ate it. It was not the worst. It definitely wasn't fresh ground beef. The home fries were frozen. And you know, and the thing is, like, if I want to have home fries, I figure when it says home fries, you'd figure they'd be real potatoes cut up. Not that those weren't real; they were just frozen. But like home fries, you figure they would fresh potatoes cut up and then, you know, grilled up in the pan or something like that. The eggs were scrambled eggs; they were good, and so this was the second time that I've been to Dolly's, and first time me and Tina came, we were not impressed. We hadn't come back. Today, after almost tearing my truck up, or myself, or whatever, I thought, well, I'm just gonna go in and sit down, just eat some warm food. But this was a bad choice. I probably won't come back. I know a lot of people, stays busy, but a lot of people don't mind eating frozen foods, so they come here. It's just not my jam.
breathing.